What a great story. Huh? What was that? That sound is under my room. That's really strange. I've never seen this before. Could this be a secret door? No way! A staircase under my room! Okay, Tom, be brave. I wonder where this leads. Wow. This room has been hidden for years. That man looks familiar. That's my great-grandfather! If you are reading this, this belongs to my great-grandfather. A treasure map? I have to tell my parents.
The map says here.
Let's keep digging.
We're getting close. We found it!
Amazing.
Look at these letters.
The treasure wasn't gold.
Memories are priceless.
These stories belong to our family.
This was my greatest adventure.